don't care how sunny it is out today, it's cold. 20-degree weather now when we've been having that nicer weather. It's hard to adjust to, but that might be part of my age. I don't know. I've built up a surplus of eggs, so I've made a big skillet of eggs, smoked sausage, potatoes, onions, other spices, so that all the guys can eat some today, and that should help me out a little bit. Are they any good?
Yeah.
You can always see, can't you?
Yep.
I had to put my de-icer item in my little fish pond this morning because, well, as you can see, that there's ice built up there. And I do have little fish in there. Some are koi, some are goldfish, but try not to let them die off in the winter time, so got to keep water moving.
Pretty sure that's the right size, 3/8, ½ inch. Now, the other one, it was straight. It wasn't an elbow like this, but it's gonna work just fine. Now, if you've seen the previous video, I kind of showed that this tree here that's got the roots on it still, when I came back, it smacked that off and it started spitting it all out, all that hydraulic fluid. So hopefully this will take care of it. You should go out there and check these every so often anyway, because the more you use it, the vibration of the machine, it'll eventually work loose. So, especially if you're doing what I'm doing, hitting brush and everything else. So. Damn cold air's got a little stiff. Hose in here. Or something maybe. May end up leaking. Turn the gas on. Attachment you can get for your vehicles or your tractors. You unscrew it and it'll cut off the electricity, keep your battery alive a lot longer, and keep the kids from starting it up too if they ever get your key. So this is another example of a tree we want to get rid of. For one, you can see some broken branches up high, a couple of them. It's kind of leaning. You see where it's rotting in here? It's rotting in here, starting to hollow out. So this tree is not a good one to keep. We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.